There's a woodpecker on the ground. Over here, I'm trying to stay still so you guys can watch him. I don't know if I can get any closer. No, I won't. Ah! There's a squirrel too. Hold on, let me try to stay stiller. Stay more still. I don't think stiller is a word. Anyways, I just wanted you guys to get a quick glimpse of him. He's a big one, isn't he? I'm assuming it's a boy.
I'm assuming it's a girl.
You think it's a girl, B?
Yeah.
Pretty boy, huh? Busy. Busy boy.
Looks like a girl.
I wonder if he can't fly. Oh, there he goes.